name is Joel Edwards. I'm here at Jones Tech, Automotive Technology. Today we're going to be doing a basic oil change on a 2004 Mini Cooper. And so as you can see, we got it lifted on the jack points in all the right spots with the lift centered in the lift bay. Here, get this thing in the air. Going up. Gonna make sure it's nice and centered on here. Don't want it wobbling around. Yeah, nice and sturdy on there. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. We're gonna keep lifting it up. Bringing it up all the way. Alright, it's almost all the way up, and we're going to seat it on the locks so it's not at the mercy of the hydraulics. There we go, nice and sturdy. Now we're free to work under the car. First things first, got to find an oil pan, which is right here. Yeah. Not dirtier than I thought it would be. Alrighty, so we got it down to an occasional drip, which means it's as good as drained completely. So I'm gonna move this thing out of the way. I'm gonna be doing a spot mop on the floor. Got my bolt, don't forget that in there. Bad news bears. I'll put that back in. I'm gonna turn this left until it seats, because with these aluminum oil pans, they will cross thread and you will mess it up. So I'm turning it left. Oh, not quite. There, it's seated. Felt it click. Double check that it's straight. That is straight. I'm using a ratchet because I don't want to over torque this thing on here and, you know, end up stretching out the bolt or mess up the oil pan because I don't feel like buying another oil pan. And just enough, you know, snug right there. Gonna bring it back down. First thing I want to do, pull this up a little bit. See that bar move? There we go. I'm gonna release it from the mechanical lock, so it's just on the hydraulics now. And bring it down. Coming down. Let everybody know it's coming down in case, you know, there's a foot under it or something. Standard safety stuff. This is not a standard canister oil filter. This is a cartridge. Just get stuck on the flaps. One of these. Got a new O-ring. Gonna definitely make sure to change that out. You don't want those things stacking up, causing leaks. It's a bad day for everybody. A breaker bar can get nice down in there. Right. Yeah, I don't know if you can see down there. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, it's right here. Alright, so I gotta open this thing up down here. It's kind of buried down in there, so I got my extra long one. Got my 36mm socket. And we're taking it off. Hey, there it goes. Just about. Get it out. Ooh. Through here, careful not to get oil on. Twist the engine. Let me drive around the road, seeing smoke, freak out the customer or anything. Take out our old cartridge. There we go. Take out that O-ring. Alright, got my new O-ring. I'll seat that on there before I do anything. You don't want to forget that. That's on there. Big end, small end. Big end goes around this part. Easy as that. I don't think that is one that can be pre-filled. Put that back on there. Once again, turning it left until it seats. Alright, it's on there. Tight, snug, but not over torqued. Everything in moderation. And last but not least, we're gonna add the new oil. This thing takes 5 quarts, 5W30, full synthetic. So that's what I got. Wish I had a funnel. Alrighty. So I mean, we'll check our dipstick now. It's probably going to tell us it's full regardless of whether it is or not. Yeah. So what we're going to want to do now is we're going to turn the engine over once, get it nice and distributed around in there. Seat covers and everything in place. Don't want oil in the customer's car. And this one is a manual. I got my foot on the clutch.
That's what I'm used to is having 120 kids. Yeah. That's not bad.
Towel again.
We don't have 120 kids.
That off. Back in. Right up out of there.
You don't have that many kids. Well,
Ooh, oil's nice and clean on there, as you can see. As you can see, got all the oil in, drained out, proper amount put in, all cleaned up. No smoke, no drips, and that's how you change some oil.